Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 10 Ratio Exercise 10.2. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today I will start your exercise 10.2. Let us start this one. Now example 7. In a hostel the consumption of rice for 8 students is 4 kilogram. How much rice would be consumed in 30 students? So how can solve this thing? You can see here. So you can write 8 students consume how much? It's 4 kilogram of rice. So one students consumed, it is 4 upon 8 kg of rice. Now what would now come to the 30 students? For 30 students, what will be upon 4 upon 8 into 30 kg of rice. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So 2 15 ja. So it is 15 kg of rice. So that is your answer. Now come to the example number 8. An aeroplane flies 4,000 km in 5 hours. How much distance does it fly in 3 hours? So how can solve this? You can see here is 3 hours. So in 5 hours distance covered equal to, it is 4,000 kilometer. So in 1 hours distance covered, it is 4,000 divided by 5 kilometer. So now in 3 hours, so you can write in 3 hours it would be 4,000 upon 5 into 3 kilometer. Now solve it. 5 8 ja 40 and double 0. So 8 3 ja 24 double 0 and it is kilometer. So that is your answer. Now come to the example 9. A woman saved 18,000. This one 18,000 in 15 months. So first of all we can consider for 7 months. So 15 months, in 15 months saving is equal to rupees 1800, 18,000. So in 1 month saving is equal to rupees 18,000 divided by 15. Now come to the for 7 months. So in 7 months saving is equal to rupees 18,000 and divided by 15 into 7. Now so 5 3 ja 15 and 5 3 ja 15 and 5 6 ja 30 and double 0. Now 3 1 ja 3 and here is 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 and double 0. Now multiply by 7. Double 0 it is 8,400 rupees. So that is your first answer. Now come to the how many 7 months will be have saved rupees 30,000. So how can do this? So first of 18,000. So rupees 18,000 savings equal to how many months? It is in 15 months. So rupees 1 savings equal to in 15 upon 18,000 months. Now for 30,000, so rupees 30,000 savings in how much? It is 15 upon 18,000 into 30,000 months. So how can calculate? 0 cancel with 0, this 0 will cancel 0 and this 0 will cancel to this. Now 6 3 ja and 6 5 ja. Now 3 5 ja. So 5 5 ja 25. So you can say in 25 months. So that is your answer. Now come to the exercise 10.2. Here is 10.2 exercise. So in this exercise you can do this first question. 3 copies of cost rupees 16.5. What will be the cost of 7 copies? So come to the, it is 3 copies. So you can write here 3 copies. Cost is equal to rupees 16.5. So you can find first 1 copies. 1 copy cost is equal to rupees 16.5 divided by 3. Now come to the 7 copies. Cost is it will be 16.5 divided by 3 into 7. Now do the multiply divide. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15 and 3 5 ja 15. So it will be rupees. Now multiply to the 7 5 ja 35. So 5 and 7 5 ja 35 and 3, that is the 38. Rupees 38.50. So that is the answer. So you can do very well. Now come to the second. A car moves 165 km in 3 hours. 165 km in 3 hours. Then find out how much time would be needed to 440 kilometers. So first of all, 165 kilometer covered distance equal to in 3 hours. So 1 kilometer covered distance in how much? In 3 upon 165 hours. Now 440, so you can write 440 kilometer covered distance in 3 upon 165 into 440. So what will be happen? So 3 5 ja 15 and 3 5 ja 15. So once again 11 5 ja and here is 11 4 ja and 5 8 ja. So it is in 8 hours. You can write here hours. Now come to the how much distance will be covered in car in 6.5. What means the 6.5? That is the 6 2 ja 12 and 1 13. So 13 upon 2. Now change the direction of the question. So you can write in opposite manners. So in 3 hours, the distance equal to 165 kilometer. So in 1 hours, the distance it is 165 upon 3 kilometer. So in this one, how much? In 6.5, that is 13 by 2. So 13 by 2 hours, the distance covered, that is 165 upon 3 into 13 upon 2. So once again here 3 5 ja 15 and 3 5 ja 15. Now what will be happen? So try to do the multiplication. 55 and here is 1 3. So multiply to this 5 3 ja 15, 1 carry, 5 1 ja 5 and 1 6. So once again it is 5 and 6. So here is 5 and 6 5, that is 11 and that is the 7, and it is divided by 2. So how can divide it? 2 3 ja 6 and here is 1 and this one is also here. So 2 5 ja 10. So 1 is here. Now come to the 5 and 2 7 ja 14. It will be 1 and take the point and 0 and here is 0 and 2 5 the point is here, 2 5 ja 10. So it is, that is 357.5 kilometer. So that is your answer. Now come to the third question. 72 books. Here see 72 books, weight is 9 kilogram. So what will be happen? So here is 80 books. So you can write books first. So 72 books, weight is equal to 9 kilogram. It is 9 kg. So what about to one book? That is 9 upon 72 kg. So find the 80 books. Weight is equal to 9 upon 72 into 80. So 9 8 ja and 8 10 ja. So it is 10 kg. So that is the first answer. Now come to the for second. Second is 6 kgs. So you can write kg first. So 9 kg books no, the language is changed. 9 kg equal to how many books? 72 books. So what about to 1 kg? 72 upon 9 books. And now you can write here in. And now here is in how much? 60 kg. 6 kg. So you can write 6 kg. It is 72 upon 9 into 6 books. So it is 9 8 ja 72 and 8 6 ja 48 books. So that is the answer of your question. Now come to the fourth question. A worker earns 1500 rupees in 25 days. Find out his income for in 30 days. So this one is first written here. So 25 days in 25 days. Worker earns rupees how much? 1500. So in one day worker earns rupees how much? 1500 divided by 25. Now in 30 days worker earns rupees 1500 upon 25 into 30. So 5 5 ja and 5 6 ja and 5 1 ja 5 and 5 3 ja. So 3 zeros. So you can multiply rupees 300 into 6. So 6 3 ja 18. So it will be 1800. That is the answer. Now come to the fifth. If 22 meters of cloth cost is rupees 704, what is the cost of 20 meters? So meters is written first. So you can write here 22 meters cost is equal to rupees 704. So 1 meter cost, it will be rupees 704 divided by 22. Always remember, it is always undivided. So now come to the 20 meters. So you can write here 20 meters cost will be equal to rupees 704 upon 22 into 20. So what will be happen? So 2 10 ja here, 2 11 ja. So what will be 11 1 ja 11 and 11 6 ja 66 and 11 4 ja 44. So rupees will 64 into 10. So it will be 640. So that is your answer. So you can write. Now come to the last question, that is the sixth question. Complete the given table. Number of books are given here. So you can find this number. So how can find? Let us see. So first 20, this number is given, so you can start here from. So 50 books equal to rupees how much? 2500. So one book, it is rupees 2500 divided by 50. So what about now come to the 75 books? It is rupees 2500 upon 50 into 75. So 0 will cancel to 0 and 5 5 ja, it is 50. So rupees will be now 5 5 ja 25 to carry and 5 7 ja 35 and 2, that is 37. So this one is 3750. So you can write here 3750. Now what will be happen in this? In 100. So how can find this? So let us see 50 books. Now 25 rupees. So you can write in rupees 2500. Here is 50 books. So you can write 50 books. So in rupees 1 there is 50 upon 2500 book. And what about to in how much? In 100 rupees. So you can write in rupees 100. So it is 50 upon 2500, or here is into 100. So 0 will be cancel out. So once 0 also cancel out, and 15 1 ja 15 and 15 2 ja. So it is 2 only. So answer is 2. So you can write here 2. Now come to the this one. So in 3000, so you can see here 50 upon 25 00 into 300, so it is 0 cancel with 0 and 0 cancel with 0. So 5 5 ja 25 and 5 6 ja and 5 10 ja. So it is 6 into 10, that is the 60. What 60 books? So you can write here 60. ये आपका लेसन समाप्त हो रहा है और इसके नीचे आपके वीडियो के नीचे ये लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे जिससे मुझे पता चलेगा आप लोगों ने वीडियो देख लिया है कंप्लीट वीडियो देखने पर ही ये सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबाएंगे आप लोग और इसके बाद ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर